This is Mourne Park, and this woodland has been opened up to the public for the first time in 500 years.
This is a 500-year-old digger.
That's a good, pretty good condition, yeah.
Well.
There's 3 different trails you can do around here. It started to rain. It's very nice in here. There's like massive trees. Apparently there's red squirrels somewhere. Haven't seen any.
Kingfishers.
Kingfishers. Descending down into the valley. It's kind of cool from the top. It looks almost like a no, it's not a rainforest, but you can see all the different layers and stuff down to the trees. It's kind of cool.
I'm enjoying it because this spot is mostly downhill so far.
Did you realise you have to go back uphill?
No, you told me that it was a loop.
It is a loop, and if it's a loop, that means you go down, you go back up. That's how loops work. That's not much of a climb.
Oh, that's huge.
It's not that much of a climb. Here, look at these weird trees.
Some seats.
Some seats. If these are seats, this is a punishment seat.
Yeah.
So this is the cheek spreader. If you've been acting the maggot, you end up having to sit on this. What?
A cheese
Oh my
sandwich.
god, it's a piece of cheese. Cheese sandwich. Oh, look at this. This really strange plant that's growing down here. This is a
Haribo.
Haribo planticus sweeticus. Stop throwing Haribo and more. Oh, there's some.
Just splashed through Jack.
Sorry. It's not the first time I've splashed sewage everywhere. Yeah. This is very nice. Spotted 2 water boatman insects floating around in the water there, and well, they're very, very good friends. The river along here has got loads of these big pools in it. Whoever's owned this place is, like, years ago, it was piled up rocks. Every now and then you see these big pools forming. There we go, that's been a short overview of Mourne Wood. Thoughts, Louise?
Yes, very pretty. Just weather very changeable today, but that's not the park's fault. I'll not be giving it a bad review on TripAdvisor.
They do lose points though for this. This is little laminated sign, right? And first of all, I would love to know the story as to why they've had to make these, because there's these permanent ones, and then this is just something somebody's made at home. They've laminated it, but whoever made this does not understand how to laminate for the weather.
Chief rule of laminating.
Yeah, you cut out first, then you laminate, then you cut out again. They've laminated it
Right
and
up
then
to the end,
right
and then
to the
cut it.
end. So it's not sealed at all. First rain shower, second rain shower, that's just gonna
It's a partially permeable membrane.
partially permanent. I'll give it 2 weeks and that sign will fall off. Right, where are we going next? Let's go and catch a ferry. Actually threw up on dolphins. found an eviscerated crab. Hi goat. Found a goat.
Oh no, it's an omnivore, it'll eat anything.
Why are you lying down?
Whoa!
I'm enjoying your ice cream.
Great.
This is Victoria Lock. This is the start of the Newry Canal, which goes all the way to Newry. Do you want to walk all the way to Newry?
Nah.
No. Please don't turn that, you'll accidentally drain the sea.
Beautiful.
Hmm?
Oh, a pile of...
The whole pile of birds waiting. Oh, what's that?
It's a wee prize. It's a geocache.
A surprise, a geocache?
Yeah.
Huh. It's just sitting up here in the... Are you sure it's a geocache? It looks like a bag of brownies. We should open it up and see what's in it. Oh, I don't touch it! Oh, I can smell it. Don't leave bags of poo on the greenway!
I think it'll walk their dog. They're like, oh, I want to hold this the whole way for the walk. So they set it down, meaning to come back to it, but they don't ever come back to it.
Yeah, well, it seems like a lot of people who walk dogs have got amnesia. I mean, I've seen them hanging like Christmas decorations from the trees, or the world's worst pinatas.
Pinatas?
Yeah.
Pinata.
That's what I said. Pinata.
No, pinata.
Pinata.
Watch out for that
Ah! I can't resist grabbing a stick and going up. And
And the thing
look!
is,
What? Yeah,
there's
what?
dog poo bin,
Why?
like,
There's literally a poo bin up there. As the French would call it, a poo bell.
well,
And this is here. Why? Don't touch it!
no, but I know
Don't,
it's in the bag.
Don't, it's disgusting, no! Look, whatever person would leave that there probably has bad hygiene in general. Don't touch it.
Squidgy,
No,
like
no.
it's fresh.
No, don't. Back off. Back, but don't.
Can I poke it with a
No,
stick?
you can poke it with. You can poke it with a stick.
Yeah, that's squidgy.
It's squidgy. It's squidgy. Yeah.
That one's more hard. Well, I would say that's maybe yesterday. That's... Oh!
I feel sick. Let's get out of here.
See, maybe we should have picked those up and brought them to the poo bin.
I'm not sure. No, I'm not touching them. Disgusting. It's not.
No, but if it was on my dog, you'd have to touch it.
Yeah, but that's not your dog. You don't know what sort of per standards what person who would do such a thing has.
Bag.
It's probably covered in hemorrhoids.
You think that's the hemorrhoids kicking in?
I don't think that's how hemorrhoids work. If you've enjoyed this video,
Or have hemorrhoids, hit the bell. Like and subscribe. Oh, I thought that was just a... I thought it was a shadow of a bird there, but it's just a...
no, it's just a stick.
Yeah.